The Krab self-propelled howitzer, developed by BAE Systems Land Systems, won international competition to meet future self-propelled artillery systems requirement for the Polish Army. Polish requirement was for around 130 howitzers of this type. The first order was expected in 2008. However, Polish MOD halted its order due to a possible bribery case. A total of 24 howitzers were ordered. In 2011, the first prototype was ready for firing trials. By 2012, a total of 8 howitzers have been built and were delivered to the Polish Army. At the time, future of this artillery system was uncertain due to various problems, including lack of suitable chassis for this artillery system. In late May, Poland had already given Ukraine 18 Krab self-propelled howitzers, 3 batteries, and trained 100 Ukrainian gunners to work with them. Turret of the Krab is almost identical to that installed on the AS-90 Braveheart. This turret will be license-produced in Poland. It is fitted with 155 mm/L52 howitzer, which is compatible with all standard NATO 155 mm ammunition. The Krab has an automatic shell loading system and modular charge system. Maximum range of fire is 30 km with standard HEFRAG shell and 40 km with rocket-assisted shell. Secondary armament consists of a roof-mounted 12.7 mm machine gun. The Krab is fitted with a Polish Topaz fire control system, intercom, and radios. This artillery system has a Danish muzzle reference system, which tracks outgoing shells and adjusts the next shot. Hull and turret of this self-propelled howitzer has an all-welded steel construction. Armor provides protection against small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. The Krab is fitted with NBC protection and automatic fire suppression systems. Early production Krab howitzers used a modified chassis of the Polish PT-91 Twardman battle tank. It was powered by AS-12U diesel engine, developing 850 horsepower. These Krabs were fitted with a self-entrenching blade and could prepare defensive emplacements on their own. However, since 2012, production of the S-12U engine that powered the PT-91 tank and Krab howitzer stopped. A German MTU 881 K500 engine was proposed as an alternative. However, it would not fit in the Krab's hull without substantial modifications. In 2013, it was reported that the Krab will use chassis of the Turkish T-155 Fırtına self-propelled howitzer. However, in 2014, it was reported that Poland plans to acquire 120 tracked chassis of the South Korean K9 self-propelled howitzer. Actually, the Turkish T-155 is a license-produced version of the South Korean K9. Most likely that it appeared more reasonable for Poland to import chassis directly from South Korea rather than from Turkey.